The sun emits intense plasma. Sun's plasma in all direction, and we call it as solar flare. Solar flare. Notice this is Earth, let's say. Earth. And this is the magnet inside the Earth. Because of this magnet, we have magnetic polarities. North polarity, south polarity, and this is magnetic lines. Like this. Please notice the magnetic lines of force now. Now, so this is our Earth, and this is our magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field. Now, notice this. The Earth's magnetic field, also called as magnetosphere, protects the Earth from the solar flares. The solar flare coming from the sun is intense plasma. It brings large amount of heat, high intensity radiation. As it comes closer, what happens? Here, our magnetic lines of force protects us from the solar flares. It will not allow it to enter. So most of the solar flare goes out like this. Goes out like this. Only small amount of solar flares gets embedded into the magnetic field of the Earth. Only small amount of solar plasma, intense radiation, gets embedded into our magnetic field. That comes here like this. Small amount, small portions of it comes towards North Pole region and South Pole region, giving us natural display of light called Aurora Borealis, Aurora Australis here in the polar regions. That I'll explain separate topic. Separate topic I'll explain now. Now only I'll explain that. That is auroras. Auroras are display of colors, different colors in the sky, which occurs in the North Pole region, South Pole region. So this region where the plasma enters our Earth, please notice, small amount of intense radiation comes inside and gets embedded into the magnetic field, and it reaches the Earth. Small amount of radiation enters and reaches the Earth in different spots like this. This is called as Van Allen belts. Van Allen belt that I have written in this yellow color or orange color. Whatever I have written in orange color is a Van Allen belts. Van Allen is the name of a scientist, geophysicist, who first noticed this, that the sun's plasma, not everything is diverted. Small amount of low intensity radiation comes in, and that becomes part of our magnetic field. And this low intensity radiation reaches Earth in different spots. This spot here, you can see here, this spot here. It comes in various places on Earth. It reaches Earth in various spots. Okay, various spots. Like this, in different spots. So there are two belts, outer belt, inner belt. Outer belt, inner belt. So the inner belt touches the Earth's surface. The outer belt remains in the sky, near ionosphere. The outer belt in the sky, inner belt close to the Earth's surface. So the inner belt reaches Earth in various spots. One place is India, Kasar Devi temple. Kasar Devi in Uttarakhand. Okay. And Machu Picchu. Many of you might have heard of this place. Machu Picchu. Where? Peru. Peru. Okay. Machu Picchu is one of the oldest civilization, Inca civilization site in Peru. Another place here in UK, Stonehenge. Stonehenge. UK, United Kingdom here. Another place here, somewhere near Mauritius, south of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. So that doesn't count because it's a water body. So the Van Allen belts are low intensity radiation that gets embedded into the magnetic field and reaches the Earth's surface. So Van Allen belts, there are two, outer belt, inner belt. Please remember, the inner belt touches the Earth's surface in the northern hemisphere, two in the southern hemisphere. Two in the northern hemisphere are Kasar Devi and Stonehenge. In southern hemisphere are Machu Picchu and somewhere close to Mauritius, the fourth spot. That is water body. So as a result, we don't count that. So if you go to this place, Kasar Devi, Uttarakhand, so you go and sit there. So it's a low intensity radiation from the sky coming in, reaching here. It is considered to be very good for the health. Non-ionizing radiation. It is not that dangerous. So you will get that kind of a positive feeling there. So it's a very important spot. Okay. So Kasar Devi, you remember this. Google this. So around that spot they built a temple. It is like that spot was so spiritual, so they built a temple around it. Okay, so Kasar Devi temple, Stonehenge. Stonehenge is like our ancient civilization site hai. Okay, Stonehenge, Machu Picchu jaisa, this one. All these are what? World heritage sites. There now Kasar Devi also will be included next. Okay, this is already there. This is already there. So this is in the tentative list. Uttarakhand.